Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday. It's September the 13th, 2012. We're going to be looking at Texas Instruments Incorporated, ticker symbols TXN. It's right there. And this chart is one of many that I see out there that I could be a buyer of right now. The main thing is I want to be buying this market because we have a market that's moving to the upside. You want to buy individual companies that make up the average that are moving in the same direction, right? Right. Okay. Well, how do you do that? Well, pretty simple. You go out and you find a situation where a stock is making higher highs and higher lows. That is therefore in an uptrend and confirming or going along with the overall market. 90% of stocks will follow the market higher or lower. Ergo, you want to find stocks that are doing the same thing the market average is doing, right? Right. Okay. So now we're looking at Texas Instruments. I'd be a buyer here at 28.91. Actually, anything right here, I'd be a buyer of. Meaning that off the high today down to the low. I'd set a stop off the 28.24 low, 1 cent below that, so 28.23 would be my stop. A couple of things that I'd like to point out for you here. Number one, of course, would be the hammer-like or hammer-esque candlestick formation here. You'll notice there's nice volume increasing on that, as well as today's activity, again, increasing volume. This pullback here, nothing more than a low volume pullback. We know that because we can say, hey, it's pulling back and the volume is low. So that would be a low volume pullback. Then it increased on volume at the bottom, starting to reverse back to the upside. Makes perfect sense to me. Here's the high point you found resistance at. You come up here, hit that, bounce off, come up there again, bounce off again, come up close to it, reverse, come up to it again, and break out. That means this resistance here is now acting as support. So where do you kind of expect the low volume pullback to end? Well, support. So that's what I would do. That's how I would trade that. I'd buy that, look for a test of the previous high. Someone sent me an email, I think it was last night or today, I can't remember, asking me to start putting my targets on there. I try to do that in every video and tell you guys what I see the target for, and they're just preliminary. The first point at which I would say, okay, that's the first target, right? It's been reached, but they can also surpass them. For those of you guys who may not know, there's lots of videos on our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com telling you how to find the target exit points and so forth and so on. So you can go there and check those videos out. They're already created for you if I forget, and that's just something you can do and learn for yourself. Okay. Anything else I want to show you on this chart? No, it's pretty much it. Pretty easy little trade there, I think. And yeah, okay. God bless. Take care. I'll see you in the nightly market analysis video, which you should be watching, because if you're not, you're making a mistake. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.